28 people have been charged in a vast scheme of kickbacks for Medicare money. Now, the feds say the largest home health care provider in the Bay Area got that title by paying doctors for referrals. KPIX5's Melissa Caen joins us with the charges that were announced today. Melissa?
Yeah, Ken, we're here at the San Francisco-based federal courthouse where dozens of people appeared today, including doctors, nurses, even a CEO. All of them were arrested as part of this kickback scheme that involved $115 million of taxpayer money.
Our healthcare system depends on the integrity of the doctors who make referrals for patients to the care that they need.
David Anderson is the U.S. Attorney for the Northern District of California. His office is part of a corporate fraud strike force that is targeting white-collar crime.
We're announcing charges today against 30 defendants, 28 individuals, 2 corporations we allege to be corrupt, the CEO of those corporations, 13 doctors, 5 nurses, and others, including marketers, case managers, and a social worker.
Anderson explained the system that led to so many arrests.
This is a scheme in which doctors, nurses, other medical care professionals provided patient referrals through Medicare out to the defendant corporations in return for kickbacks in the form of bribes, meals, entertainment.
The companies, Amity Home Health and Advent Hospice Care, did provide care to the patients. The crime was in the payments to get the patients.
There are $115 million in tainted Medicare billings, $8 million in kickbacks, $6 million of those kickbacks in the form of cash, $2 million of those kickbacks in the form of payments supposedly to medical directors.
Well, the alleged ringleader of all of this is the CEO of those 2 companies, Redeema Singh. She also goes by Amanda Singh. And she's not just charged for the kickbacks, but also for trying to tamper with a witness and for lying to federal investigators. She faces up to 35 years in prison, and she did appear today before a federal judge, and she was let go on a $2 million bond. She'll have to be in court again next week. Ken?
Yeah, interesting case. I get the money. That's pretty straightforward. Entertainment, I'd love to find out about that. But how did the feds get tipped off about this whole scheme anyway?
Well, first of all, on the entertainment thing, Warriors tickets were certainly part of the bribes alleged here in the complaints. Now, according to this criminal complaint against Ms. Singh, the way this all started is at least one employee at a rival home healthcare agency was angry at losing out on so many referrals and had heard about some of these kickbacks and tipped off the feds. So be careful what enemies you make out there, Ken.
Yeah, and keep your mouth shut. That's right. Melissa, thank you very much.